I really have the feeling people are really missing on AI. And with that, I mean not only with ChatGPT or Gemini or other tools. We are talking about Claude. And no, I'm not talking about Claude Code because they even have their own desktop app right now. And some people may think that Claude is a little bit complicated, but which is actually not, because in this video I'll be showing you how easy it is actually, depending on your situation. If you're going and having problems with your school, doesn't matter your grocery list, or even with gym, or having complicated meal preps, or even your gym program. In this video I'll be talking and I'll be explaining in this video what you are missing right now on AI with Claude Code. So basically what I did for you guys, I asked Claude to show me some demos for you guys to understand how actually so easy it is to use one app instead of 5-6 different apps to show you what weather is it, which places to check when you go out on vacation, or even if you want to look for a nice recipe, if you want to eat a protein shake smoothie, you can just do it with all in one AI tool. This AI tool is called the Opus 4.7. The reason why I like Opus is it actually is more intelligent than the other OpenAI stuff we all are using to just chat with them. So the first demo I want to show you guys is you don't have to use an app, or you don't have to Google anymore if you want to look what the weather is gonna be. The most problematic thing about AI, some of them, is they give you information based off some years back or some days back. Well, Cloud is very recent with these kind of things because it is just much deeper thinking. So the first thing I want to show you guys is demo 1. The weather anywhere in the world. Tropical vibes for the video. Well, this Claude helps me to make actually a nice topic for you guys to explain. So you can even use it for if you're a content creator, doesn't even matter. So the demo 1, weather anywhere in the world. There is Bali. Picture of this for your viewers is what is Claude actually saying, because it is personalized for me. So you can also make it personalized for yourself, that it even knows your name, how to talk with you. So you're planning a trip, you don't open a browser, you don't download an app. Just ask, boom, 5 days forecast, so you can actually see what the weather is gonna be in the coming 5 days. Well, this is very handy because when you have to Google that, it's gonna take some time. All right, we know, maybe you're just gonna type in what's the weather and Google will show it for you. It's not necessary anymore because you can even open some widgets for yourself where the clouds are gonna be. Look, I'm gonna show you guys an example. So guys, just in second I made a special project, so you can even make some own project for yourself. So imagine you're gonna set some personalized projects here about the weather, about what you're gonna cook every day, about your gym plan. Doesn't matter what you do, you can just personalize it under all of each other. So what I did actually is I asked Claude, so Opus, to make me a weather live widgeting. So it built me an interactive weather widget showing US cloud coverage, rain probability, and 5 days forecast in Fahrenheit. So let me grab some real weather data of 4 major US cities first. So what it did is it actually showed me New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and all those other cities and states, what weather it is actually going to be. And it even made me a widget where I can see where it is going to be cloudy, where it can be raining, and these all are live. So you don't have to have an app anymore to check every time, or have to Google different websites to check where it is going to rain the next few hours. You can check all of them just by one click on your own project, and everything here is live. So the third one is actually very playful and nice. So you can actually pre-record a banana powered smoothie for yourself. So you can just ask for nice ingredients that are very easy to use. So every ingredient we all have at our house, so you won't have to go to the market very quick. So you can just ask Claude what is needed for my smoothie because I have limited items. So you just type in, I have one banana, I have milk, I have tablespoons of peanut butter, that's what I have actually. And honey is what I have, and a little bit of cinnamon. And it demonstrates you literally how you can make the nicest smoothie for yourself. Everybody can use this, even older people, even younger people. So you can click on get cooking and just in 3 steps. If I click on start cooking, it just tells me a step-by-step tutorial how I can make this. It's very nice. So you just load the blender, blend, and it tells you for 45 seconds. How nice is this? There is even a stop watch time inside the opus, and it just tells you to serve. So pour into a glass and drink immediately, and boom, you're ready to record. Nice. And of course, the third one, we also talked about this before. Conversations we have a hard time with. Asking for a promotion, talking with your landlords. So, what Opus can actually do for you, you can make very friendly and open door, or short and firm, or decline but pitch alternative. You can make your own ways of making a friendly, a short and a firm, or a decline but pitch alternative message. You make a mail for your people you have a hard time with. Hope this video was very helpful, guys. Now you know how Claude works, and there are so many more things you can use it for. Unbelievable. I'll make videos in the future more about this, so don't forget to like, so I know you guys like it. So I see you the next time.